Welcome to planetghost.com. In this tutorial we will be learning how to create a new role. For example, we have few roles in our site which we saw in the previous tutorial. We have anonymous user, authenticated user and the administrator. Now we are logged in as administrators, but we have by default the authenticated user who can pass in comments. We can grant him few more rights, but we will do that by creating one more sort of user. Say we will call it editor. So to do that we will just click on add role. You can click on user settings first. You have a user settings link here. I guess you have to go configuration. One second. Yeah, okay. When you click on people, you go under permissions and then you have a small button with name roles here. We see three users, we three sort of roles here. Now we'll create one more role, that would be editor, and click on add role. Okay, now the role has been created. We will click on the permissions and check. We have the role created here. By default he is given all the sort of privileges that are given to the administrator. Some sort of links are similar to authenticated user. So what we would do is, it is similar to, I believe it's similar to authenticated user. If we want to grant him the rights of creating an article, say create new article and article delete own article. You see this? And edit own article. We've granted few rights to the editor, like creating an article, editing and deleting, and we'll save this. Now we'll quickly add a new user by clicking on people. We have a link to add user. We'll name it user2. We'll give the password as user2. Now we are making this user as editor. So I'll click on editor, checkbox here and create him. Now I will open a new browser and I'll log in as editor. I've opened a new browser, that is Opera. I'll log in as user2, who is the editor. Now you have, when you are logged in as user1 in my Chrome browser, I'm logged in as user1, who is just the authenticated user. He doesn't have any sort of add content link here, but now since we have given a right to the editor, new role, that is editor, he has a new link here. You can see when he clicks on this link, he would get the right of creating an article. This is how he can create an article, but not the authenticated user. Only the editors would get the right to create an article. We can also make the user 1 as the editor by changing his role. Simply by clicking on people, click on user 1 where you see he has not created. You just click on edit and you can change his role to editor. We won't do that, but this is how you can do it. You can also block him. There are a number of things you can do from here. You can change his password as being the admin. You can do a number of things. Okay, this is how you create roles and assign task, or maybe assign the rights to a particular role, so that sort of role or that sort of user can perform task in the site. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you.